number of road rage attacks that we know about is now up to 10, all linked to the same man. This man you're looking at here.
Police have a clear picture of him caught on camera in the act, but they're still trying to find out who he is so they can stop him. New at 5, Sophie Flay talked to another suspected victim.
Have you seen this man, the one getting out of his dark gray Tesla, attacking vehicles with a metal pipe? That's what police and the California Highway Patrol are asking.
We are in the process of the investigation to confirm who this individual is. And of course, we always invite the public to assist us.
After Eyewitness News aired stories about this attack on the 2 freeway Wednesday, similar photos and videos have surfaced, like this one in Echo Park.
Of these aggressive
Today, we spoke
nuts.
with a woman who says the same
probably
man
has a
with
gun
the
also.
same Tesla confronted
It's
her
crazy.
and her 93-year-old mother in June. The incident took place in West Hollywood. She did not want to reveal her identity.
The Tesla was coming into oncoming traffic. We confronted each other, and I said to him, "You can make it. You know, just keep coming slow." And immediately he went into some kind of psycho mode and starts screaming and motioning.
She says the Tesla driver gets out of his car and throws a soda can at them, then gets back in his car. This surveillance video shows a nearby valet worker in a white T-shirt trying to talk to the driver.
The valet guy's, "Hey, calm down, sir, calm down. What's going on? You can see that these are women, and she's an elderly woman." And boom, he just smashes them in the face.
Watch close. The Tesla driver throws something at the valet worker. That's when it gets physical.
I take up my phone, I start snapping a couple pictures. I'm trying to back out. They get into it.
The Tesla driver backs up and is visibly angry before driving away. The woman says she made a report with the West Hollywood police, but she's still worried about her safety.
I'd like to see him get arrested.
If you have any information about this person or have been involved in a similar incident, you can call the California Highway Patrol at 213-744-2331.